Alright, here's a great tutorial on making a self-portrait. What you do is you think about making a self-portrait day after day after day and do nothing about it. And then one day, after about 8 or 9 months, there's still light in the sky, and you know if you don't start to do anything, nothing is going to get done. So you don't prepare well. You throw a mat down on the floor, bring the chair over to the easel, put the easel by the mirror, literally squeeze 3 colors onto a palette, put water in your water bucket, and start painting. Not well, not well at all, but just keep refining some lines. Throw the wrong colors on the canvas, and then take a photograph of it. This is a very, very detailed way of how self-portraiture is taught in schools, and I am proud to be a master of this art, of all of the preparation that it takes to jerry-rig something together on a Tuesday afternoon.